how to regrow your hair naturally. Today we have something very interesting to discuss. We're gonna spill the beans on how to regrow hair naturally. Yep, you heard that right. So grab your favorite hairbrush and let's dive right in. Hair loss is no joke. Whether you're losing hair, your hair is thinning, or you have alopecia, we got some tips that might help you out. First things first, hair is all about that protein, baby. And what's protein made of? Amino acid. One amino acid that plays a star role in your hair growth is lysine. Lysine also makes your hair stronger and bouncy like a trampoline. So what you gotta do is load up on foods high in lysine. Think juicy red meat and eggs. You might want to consume about 6 to 8 ounces of high quality protein twice a day. Trust me, your hair will thank you later. Now listen up, folks. Many people experiencing hair loss are also low in iron, but fear not, because red meat and eggs got your back again. They're loaded with iron, and guess what? Lysine helps your body absorb all that goodness. Teamwork makes the dream work. Who knew hair regrowth could be so wild? Now, let's talk about gut microbes, the unsung hero of our bodies. These little fellas actually make amino acids, including lysine. But if your gut flora is on strike, your scalp might face some serious issues like dandruff and skin disorders. Solution? Pop a probiotic supplement or enjoy some probiotic-filled fermented foods. Hold your follicles, people. There's this sneaky testosterone called DHT that messes with your hair, causing thinning and hair loss. But guess what's the unsung hero against DHT? Zinc. And where do you find it? Yep, you guessed it, red meat. Lysine also joins the battle fighting against DHT and saving the day. Finally, let's remember that lysine is not just a hair happy hero. It supports the whole shebang, a healthy body. It's got its own set of health benefits that indirectly help with hair loss and promote hair growth. That's it, folks. We've spilled the secrets to regrowing hair naturally. Remember, besides red meat, green tea extract, stinging nettle root, and nutritional yeast are your hair's best friend. So give them a go and let us know if they work their magic for you. Thank you for tuning in to our hair-raising adventure today. So smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more fantastic tips and tricks. Until next time, sending you all the hair growing vibes. Stay fabulous, my friends.